Tired of your Selenium scripts hitting a wall because of Chrome's pesky protected mode settings? Let's dive straight in. First, you'll need to use Chrome options to configure Chrome's behavior. This is the key to bypassing or managing those protected settings. You need to understand Chrome's security zones and protected mode. These are designed to isolate web content, but can interfere with Selenium's ability to interact with iframes or specific website elements, so ensure you take the right steps. Within your code, use the add additional congruence method. You'll want to target the specific protected mode settings that are causing the problem. Remember, you are just bypassing some settings, so you do not need to disable all protected mode settings. Now, run your Selenium script. You should now be able to interact with those previously inaccessible elements. This approach allows for a more controlled testing environment and will allow Selenium automation to move past potential obstacles. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to check the description for more helpful links.